And good morning to everyone. So today's lead code question is 3783, that is mirror distance to an of an integer. So in this question we are given an integer n, and what is a mirror distance? Mirror distance is absolute value of n minus the reverse of the number. So the difference of this and then the absolute value of that difference, right? This is called as mirror distance, right? So what we do, we have to return the integer which denotes the mirror distance of the number n, and absolute of x denotes the absolute value of x, right? So let's see the example. So in the first example, our n is equal to 25. So what will be reverse of n? Reverse number is 52. Then absolute value of 25 minus 52. 25 minus 52 is minus 27. So absolute value of minus 27 is 27. So the answer is 27. In the next example, we have n is equal to 7. So reverse of 7 will be 7 only. Then absolute value of n is 7 and reverse of 7 is 7. So it will be 0. So 0 is the answer. So let's see the constraints. So it is given that n can be up to 10 ki power 9, right? So let's see the approach. So basically what we want to find absolute value of n minus reverse of n. So we are given n, so what we have to do, we have to find reverse of n, right? So let's see how to find the reverse value of any number. So let's try to understand this with the help of an example. So suppose we have taken n is equal to 1 2 3 4. So initially our reverse value is 0 and n our number is 1 2 3 4. So after step number 1, what we are doing is we are doing reverse into 10 plus we are taking the first digit, that is 4. So what we get 4, and then our number will become 1 2 3, right? Our number will become 1 2 3. Then again in the step number 2 we are doing what we will get here 4. So 4 into 10 plus what is the next digit, that is 3, that is 43. Now our number will become 12. Then 43 into 10, 43 into 10 plus 2, that is 432, and our number is 1, right? Then again 432 into 10 plus the first digit is 1, and now our number has become 0. So once our number has become 0, then we stop. So what we get 4321, which is the reverse of 1 2 3 4, right? So if we'll see from here, what is the formula is basically reverse is equal to reverse into 10 plus n modulo 10. N modulo 10 will give us the first digit, right? And then we divide n by 10, and this we keep repeating until our number is greater than 0, right? So if we'll see our code, that we have taken reverse is equal to 0, and we have stored the number n into a temporary value, and then while our temporary value is greater than 0, we do reverse is equal to reverse into 10 plus temporary modulo 10, and temporary is equal to temporary divided by 10. So this from here we will get the reverse of n, and at the end what we want to return absolute of n minus reverse, right? So we have written that value. So I hope I am able to explain you the solution properly. So if you like the solution, please make sure to like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.